We were talking about the story Soccer Shootout. We have read the story as a class. So who can tell me just quick review about teamwork? What is teamwork? Dominic.
You work together as a team.
You work together as a team. In teamwork, do you work by yourself?
No.
Absolutely not. You work with a partner or a group of people. For example, you are in groups of 4, the most of you. This could be when you do group work. This could be teamwork with you guys. The ones that sit by themselves, if I put them together, are they working together as a team?
Yes.
Also, could this be collaboration?
Yes.
Question. Collaboration means what?
Friendship.
Friendship? Teamwork? Collaboration, Miles?
Multiple people work together.
Multiple people are working together. Meaning group 4, they could collaborate with group number 2. Group 2 and 4 are working together. They are collaborating and working together. Any questions about the word teamwork?
No.
Now, in the story Soccer Shootout, did they have teamwork in this story?
Yes.
Was there starting to be a point where one particular player got upset maybe?
Yeah.
Thought that he was probably better than the next player?
Yeah.
Is that teamwork?
No.
Absolutely not. All right, good job. Let's see. Essential question. I also wrote it up on the board. What can sports teach us about working together? What can sports teach us about working together? Braylon.
It helps you work better with other people.
Helps you to work better with other people. Anyone else want to chime in? Juniper.
It also teaches you that, like, when you're working together, you have to, you're gonna tell people what you think and say it.
Like gathering ideas, like you say something, you throw out an idea, and then Braylon, he says something, he throws out an idea, something. Okay, brainstorming. Oh, good word, brainstorming. One of my vocab words is here, collaboration. The meaning is working together in a group to accomplish a task. Also, was this determination one of our vocab words?
Yeah.
We sure? Look back at your worksheet. Determination. No, not in the story. Okay, that's fine. It's okay. All right, moving forward. All right, so what we're going to focus on today is about retelling a story. What happened at the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and the ending of the story. Okay, we're also going to focus on the sequence of events that happen in a story. Who can tell me what the sequence of events mean? When you go in sequence, what does that mean? Vivian, excuse me. Vivian said in order. All right, if you agree, my voice, you guys give me a thumbs up, give me a whoop whoop. If you disagree, give me a thumbs down. All right, good job. Question, who can tell me what does the word topic mean for a story? What does topic mean? Miles.
The topic is what the story is about.
Topic means like what the story is about. Do you guys agree?
Yes.
Yes. Who can tell me what is the theme of a story? Vivian. Theme is the big idea of the story, the main idea of the story. Who can tell me what the theme is of Soccer Shootout? What is the main idea of this story? George.
Teamwork.
I'm sorry?
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Anyone else want to add on to it? Teamwork and Mariah?
Collaboration.
Collaboration. Anyone else want to add to it? Carter.
Working together.
Working together. Lincoln, you agree? pretty good job. Juniper,
All of them working in the same team. They're all working together and not saying like we can't do this.
they're all working together. All right, so I have this anchor chart here for sequence of events, or just sequence means you're gonna go in order. So when you're reading a story, such as soccer shootout, you will see things like a word that says first, second, third, what happened next, before this happened. Another word is after. Another word is now, when, soon, and today. These are keywords that will give you like a sequence of events that happens within a story. Yes, Juniper? Yes, ma'am? Oh, absolutely. So what do you see on your paper? Also, yes, Juniper has keywords will be first, second, next, then, last, after, and finally. All right, also, so we're gonna retell the events that happen within a story, but what we're gonna focus on now is the main idea and supporting details. Who again can tell me what the main idea is of soccer shootout? What is the main idea? George? Teamwork and collaboration. Now, this worksheet is asking for main idea and supporting details. Where can you find your supporting details? Lila?
In the text.
With,
In the story.
within the text in the story. So you're gonna go back and reread the story. You may reread one paragraph, it might be two paragraphs. You need to find supporting details from the story, also known as supporting, what's the big word we've been using before? Starts with a T. Melanie, text, yes, go back in the text to find your answer. So what you guys are gonna do, it's dark, but I'll just read the title out loud, or what's in the black shaded area. The first one is topic. The second one in the middle is the main idea. And then the third one is supporting details. Who can tell me what topic says? Who or what is the whole text about? Who or what is this story, soccer shootout? What is it about? You're gonna write this on the first block here. Everyone see? The second block, which is the middle, asks about the main idea. So you're gonna ask yourself, what is the most important point or thought about the topic? And then you're gonna write your answer here. Okay? The last square is supporting details. Ask yourself which details support and help to describe the main idea. So that means you're gonna have to go back in your reading material, and then you're gonna find what the topic is about, which is who or what is the story about, which we know is about teamwork, and about, you can name the characters within the story. Also, the main idea, you're gonna ask, what is the most important point or thought about this topic? What is the most important thing that happened in this story? You're gonna write it here in the middle square. Does everyone see?
Yes.
Are we sure?
Yes.
And then the last one, supporting details. That means you're gonna go back within your text to find a supporting detail. In other words, find a sentence that supports your main idea. Does everyone understand?
Yes.
Are we sure? Okay. Pass these out. Remember to go back in your book to find your answer. Please be sure to put your name on your paper. And again, remember, for the topic is what the story is about. What is this story, Soccer Shootout? What is this mainly about? The main idea. You're gonna ask yourself what is the most important part or point about this topic or this story. It's okay, no share. Does everyone have a copy? Yes, yes, yes? Okay. All right, Miss Richardson is gonna work the first one with you. Says what, who or what is the whole text about? This story is about soccer. The story is about teamwork with the sport of soccer. I will give you a sentence starter. I'll write a sentence starter for you up on the board, so that way you'll know how to start your sentences. One sentence starter could be, this story is about. This text is give you guys about 10 minutes to work on this. Remember to go back in your reading material to support your answers. Remember, the topic is who or what the whole text is about. Who or what is this whole story about? Loosen my voice. The main idea is what is the most important point or thought about the topic. Now, your supporting details. Remember to go back within the text to find and prove your answer. Which details support and help to describe the main idea? You need to find a sentence within your text, meaning the reading material from Soccer Shootout, that supports the main idea. What does this sentence say to help support the main idea of this story? And remember, main idea is the most important point or thought about the topic. Your topic is who or what the text is about. This story is about Bert and Ryan playing soccer. This story is about teamwork between two different players. Bless you. Bless you. Me tissue. And remember, your supporting details is a sentence within the reading, within the text of the story. ink pen, be walking around checking as you are working. Remember, you have to look at through your text to find a supporting detail. Aiden, good job. Good job. You're gonna grab your jacket. Good job, Melanie. Some of y'all writing some very good sentences. Now question, who can tell me who is the main character in this story? Emerson. Burke. Who are some other characters within the story? Other characters in the story. Kevin. Ryan. Anyone else? George. Coach Davis. Anyone else that sticks out? Any other characters that really stick out to you from this story? Mariah. Peter. Anyone else? I think that's it. Yes. Mhm. Question, was there a feud between Ryan and Burke? Was there something that Coach Davis did that kind of made them have disagreements with each other?
Yes.
What was the disagreement? Who can tell me the disagreement? George?
Coach Davis, he switched one of their positions, and then one of them said it was better than the other.
Mhm. Now, did this cause them to still have teamwork
Yes.
and collaborate together?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. No.
Remember, one of them did not want to do what Coach Davis asked them to do. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So
It was Burke.
Bert didn't want to do what Coach Davis asked.
He didn't want to switch
He
positions.
did not want to switch positions. Good. Very good. Mhm. Good job, Raymond. Okay. Good job. Good job. All right, you guys are doing very amazing. Great work. Nice sentences. Very good. All right, if and when you are done, if you have a check mark from me, you may close your book. Put your papers on your supply desk. These will be collected at the end of class. Make sure you have your name written on your main idea and supporting details worksheets. Your other worksheets needs to go on your supply table. Just put them in a stack. Your main idea worksheet, I will collect these at the end of class. If you have a check mark from me, then you may put your papers away. Oh, good.